my esteemed colleague, Mr. Taneja, Mr. Pati, Professor Jaju, Hare, Dr. Mehta, and distinguished speakers, more than a dozen today, and especially two of our new partners who will be signing Memorandum of Understanding with us for expanding the activities, that is Dr. Patnaik from GVFL and Registrar of Gujarat Technical University. Ladies and gentlemen, people tell innovation is a very dry subject. Yes, it is, because it requires a lot of sustaining efforts, perseverance, and I must tell that iCreate has not failed in that. They have tried to keep their momentum, maybe at a slow pace, but there is the saying, slow and steady with the race. So probably they will be, from now they will be leapfrogging in their activities to see that more youth particularly get benefit of their activities. Friends, you must be knowing, but at the cost of repetition I must tell you, the entrepreneurship model in iCreate stands on two pillars. That is, a technology should be involved, not just like that, a modern technology. I am not talking about the traditional technology. And the other pillar, there has to be some bit of innovation. It may not be as per the innovation as defined in the dictionary, but inching towards an innovation methodology. So, any entrepreneur who wants to ride on these two pillars can be a definite partner and definite partner in the growth of the iCreate in their journey. If you look at the cycle of the entrepreneurship based on these two pillars, it can be broadly put in 4 boxes. Somebody what he needs? He needs an ideation, get lot of ideas, whether the market accepts that idea, whether there are available technologies and possible some bit of customization, something can be done. Some bit of ideation is required. Next step, if somebody thinks that he has an idea, he has to be groomed. He should know basic knowledge what an entrepreneur should have, basic understanding. Then he can decide whether I can devote my time and money for this type of things. So that is the part of grooming. And when he passes these 2 tests, and possibly he goes to the incubation cycle, and with the help of a good mentor, and possibly he finds that he can go into details of all these things and try to take it to a pilot stage. Then the 4th box, he does some bit of piloting and then mainstreaming of this idea, what he has generated and what has been tested. So, if you look at the iCreate scenarios as of now, and friends, we have a very efficient and core team which has been able to create the first 2 stages effectively, and do some bit of the 3rd stage of incubation in very particular sectors in which Dr. Madhubai and all that, they have the core competence. So there had been a felt need that we should look at this 3rd and 4th box seriously, and look at the 2nd box of this grooming more extensive. Because if you have a team, that how many people they can cater in a year? They can cater to for a grooming exercise, they can cater to 200, 300 or 400 people. But the appetite of youth in this country, in this state particularly, is huge. So looking into that, we will have to have a strategy that the grooming is scaled up very considerably. And we have to take the other institutions who have core competence in various sectors to do the mentoring part of it. And we will take the help of efficient organization who can do the angel funding and also the mainstream funding through the venture finance. Friends, I think we have tried to put all these nuts and bolts together And our idea, when you see today, to scale up the program so that many people take advantage of this type of IDSN and grooming program, we will be signing the memorandum of understanding with Gujarat Technical University to cover 25 engineering colleges and satellite centers, and whose grooming program will not be in those places. It can be from a studio in Gandhinagar in Mysore. We are entering into understanding of that. So if you look at the IDSN and grooming part, scaling up, our idea is that the initial thought of about covering about 400, 500 people initially. Possibly we will be able to give an opportunity to create some idea and look at the entrepreneurship scale, maybe about 5 to 10,000 people in the next 1 year or so. Friends, when you do that, maybe from that, the people who will come out with some ideas, it will not be many. Maybe 400, 500 who can go to the incubation stage. And the capacity what we have in iCreate is that it can cater to about 25 to 30 people whom they can incubate properly and efficiently and to the best of the satisfaction of the entrepreneur. Therefore, our objective is that in at least next 1 year, we will have satellite centers in 5 to 6 places, and which can take the task of mentoring and doing the facilitating the incubation to the best of satisfaction of all the stakeholders. For this purpose, already we have signed a memorandum of understanding to do in the polymer technology with CPET Center. This is the Government of India body who has good knowledge in the plastic technology. Friends, we are in advanced talks that shortly we will be also on the IT and also GIS applications and other aspects. We will have a satellite center in Baisa. That has been in principle agreed and the fine tuning is being done. And where you are sitting next door, we have a premier institution known as Atira in the technical textile and a high-end segment. The dialects are on. Probably we will have the incubation center here for the technical textile entrepreneurs who want to go to technical textiles. And in the renewable energy and other aspects, green energy particularly, we are entering into a satellite center mechanism with the Jeremy, which is in Gandhinagar. And finally, one other institution we have in mind, that is the Chanda University, which probably will look into this biotech and nanotech sphere for the incubation part of it. We will add to this basket more and more. The idea is that I create one center here, what was able to churn out, maybe we have 10 centers, we will be able to do more and of the diverse interest and with much more efficiency. Friends, that is the vision, and possibly our intention is that the next 1 year we should see that we should create facilities in which 400 to 500 people can be, if they are interested, they can incubate and go to the pilot stage. Today, we will be signing also the memorandum of understanding with Gujarat Venture Finance Limited. I must compliment their managing director, Mr. Dr. Patnaik. When this idea was given by Mr. Dangayat and myself, he readily accepted it and he moved quickly. He had already created a fund with a minimum initial corpus of 50 crores rupees. So you understand 50 crores rupees is not a big small amount for these startups. And they will be linked with the iCreate so that the people who have passed some tests, they can go there and have their funding. When this type of things came, this only gap which was remaining was the angel funding at the piloting stage before they go to the mainstream commercialization. That was money which was difficult to get. Somebody does not need more money. At that point of time, he needs 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs rupees, 50 lakhs rupees maximum. So therefore, we have been in touch with some angel investors, and also GBFL has agreed in their startup scheme of things. And I think is somebody for pre-commercialization, if it makes some expenditure, probably they will look at that part of angel funding is considered as a part of the total funding what is given by them when it is commercialized. So therefore, our intention is that we will probably try to give a wholesome package to the entrepreneurs so they know that somebody is there to take care of them, not at the beginning, but towards the total end. So finally, the most important block in this entire exercise is the hardware block. I touched upon the software side of it. When you look at the hardware box, you have to create good incubation space for the entrepreneurs, where he can have peace of mind, all modern facilities, and good ecosystem, so that they can work there for 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, whatever time is required, and without at a very highly subsidized rate, and they do their incubation aspect of it there. Fortunately, with the government's initiative and the kindness of Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation and their MD, Mr. Swain, who is Mr. Pati is representing him, they have been kind enough. And they are creating the fast phase, helping us to create a fast phase, 1,25,000 square feet of incubation space in a place which is about 45 minutes drive from here. You can imagine, somebody will tell 45 minutes, or maybe maximum 1 hour. And in the time to come, if you have a good space and with all facilities, I think that will be a tremendous boon for the entrepreneurs here. Some people are telling, why you are creating this type of space here like that. We told them that, look, this is a business which has to be supply driven. It cannot be demand driven. If somebody wants to be an entrepreneur, he demands some space, incubation space. We cannot go and create in few months time here and there. It has to be demand, it has to be supply driven, like Chinese economy in many places. So therefore, we have tried to create 1,25,000. If need arises, another 1,25,000 square feet of space will be created. Friends, we understand there will be many ladies and others, and also the people who like to avail the ecosystem of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar for the IT and GIS type of incubation. So we had a discussion with the InfoCity people, and they are willing to create a 15,000 square feet of space, incubation space, or readily available, plug in and play facility, maybe in another few months, so in the InfoCity itself, so that the people who are interested in that area, they can go there and use the facility. So this is the hardware aspect of it, and this is compared to the scenario in India. If you look at the Bangalore has the maximum incubation space, followed by Bombay and Hyderabad, and if all together you will not have an incubation space of 200,000 square feet. So this is the core of the things what we are is in our vision, and I must thank the team which has sustained this activities of the iCreate and who are full of enthusiasm to take it on. Harry, I was talking to him before this event. I know there are very few people in Israel who do many things, drive much more output. I told you, why don't you look at one thing? From the studio in Gandhinagar, for the grooming aspect of it, for an interactive session with the colleges, the 25 colleges, innovation centers, Gujarat Technical University will be coordinating. I must say Dr. Agarwal has taken a tremendous lead in that. Man, whatever you tell, the man, if you speak with him 10 minutes, you will be fully charged also. So the point is that if you bring from the studio in Gandhinagar to these 25 centers, then you can cover many people for the grooming exercise. And Hari has agreed that from Israel, and they can bring it to our studio here in Gandhinagar, and that will be passed on to the 25 colleges to start with for this entire program. So friends, we have good things to look for, and our board is guided by a strong advisory board headed by Mr. Narayan Murthy, and the board also, the people who are there, they are committing their time and energy without anything to see that the things become successful, and with all your partnership, I am sure iCreate can have a good mentorship role for all the budding entrepreneurs of the state. And I wish in the next year in this event, we get some participation from other states, and in 2017, we get participation from some other countries. Thank you very much.